Thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart as it is about roughly 12 minutes away from printing a new weekly candle. For the longest time, I feel like I repeat myself, but we've been looking at Bitcoin dominance for quite some time. We noticed that it has been showing this pattern of lower and lower lows, um, coming back as far as September 2019. Even with the recent pullback from Bitcoin, which in general does cause altcoins to bleed faster, we have managed to keep the candle red, and we can even flip this to the day, and you'll see where that happened. I mean, this is when XRP, Litecoin, a lot of altcoins started pumping hard for a brief moment, and this is around the time also when Bitcoin was really knocking on the door of 20K. And then Bitcoin dropped. We saw this move back up, and now we're seeing it kind of fall back down, and all that history is being showed within this week, and we're still seeing a drop of roughly 1.94%, bringing the dominance down to 62.81%. This is a good thing. This is an indication that altcoins have some fight left in it, and even potentially turning this around for themselves. And we can see it in the price charts right now. Ethereum's up like almost 4% for the day against Bitcoin. Uh, uh, Yesterday, Chainlink was up, Uniswap was up, Cardano was up. I mean, Litecoin's up 6% for today. XRP was up yesterday, but seems to be down 5.92% for the day. And this kind of mix match is keeping the dominance where it was yesterday, of where it closed yesterday. But I think a good indication of that there's a lot of fight left in altcoins is looking at Ethereum and seeing that it's been for the past 2 weeks gone up. Last week was 8.41% for the week. Today we're seem to be closing at around 3.5 to 4% for the week. This seems to be like a continuation as much as this is. Now this is only 2 weeks. We'll see what this upcoming week has in store for us. But ultimately, we are expecting altcoins to reverse. It could be next week, could be a few weeks from now, could be a month. Um, but eventually it will reverse, and I think it'll show within the pattern of the Bitcoin dominance chart, where we'll see it's the Bitcoin dominance chart move back down. And ultimately, when we're looking at these dips and then measuring the percentage difference of each one and kind of taking it, using that difference as a linear progression throughout the year of 2020, we came to the conclusion that it could drop roughly 12% down, 12% like percentage points, not percentage points, but 12% down from its candle opening here. So that is our target, and we'll see if this plays out. Um, as of right now, it is playing out. We're seeing the dominance drop. We're seeing the dominance drop despite Bitcoin dropping, you know, uh, quite not considerably, but it had a pretty red day of 8%. This is a lot better than what a lot of people assumed, or everyone was saying that we would go back to the 20-week moving average. This hasn't happened yet, and if Bitcoin can stay above the 20-week moving average and start moving sideways, I would then really, really expect Bitcoin dominance to drop like a rock, because at that point, all coins, any kind of altcoin, will start rallying. Um, which altcoin will lead the market is anyone's guess, but I would imagine lower cap coins will lead the market in percentage points. But that doesn't mean Ethereum won't show you great returns either. So I just wanted to bring this up. We're coming to the end of the week, and we're seeing it play out, you guys. We're seeing altcoins starting to gain momentum, whether they're altcoins you like or not. I'm not much of a fan of XRP, but looking at its price history and see when it does kind of blow up, I mean I would want to be a part of that too to make that money. Litecoin as well is another one. We noticed that it at certain points in the cycle it really pumps hard, and this will affect, um, and it will show within the dominance. I have no doubt. So we'll see how this plays out, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.